Talk to the Site is a revolutionary AI tool that's just been released, and today I'm going to walk you through the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or someone looking to get ahead with the latest AI tools, stick around, because this one might just change the way you interact with your website and online customers. Trust me, you'll want to watch until the end, because I've got some insights about this software that could really impact how you drive your digital presence. Before we dive in, don't forget you can try Talk to the Site for free through the first link in the description below. Now, let's get into the details. First up, Talk to the Site uses advanced natural language processing to create a conversational AI experience on your website. This is different from most chatbots that only respond to basic commands. Talk to the Site can actually engage your website visitors in real-time conversations, answering complex questions, handling customer service inquiries, and guiding users through your site seamlessly. This makes it more interactive and customer-centric than a lot of other options out there. The second thing you need to know is that it integrates seamlessly with major website platforms. If you're using WordPress, Shopify, or even custom HTML sites, Talk to the Site has easy plug-and-play integrations that won't require you to hire a developer. It's made to be as user-friendly as possible, giving you a professional AI assistant without the technical headache. Another key feature of Talk to the Site is its deep learning algorithms. This AI software doesn't just respond based on pre-programmed scripts, it continuously learns from interactions, improving its responses over time. So, the more people talk to it, the better it gets at anticipating customer needs, making it a dynamic tool that grows with your business. One of the standout features I love about Talk to the Site is its ability to personalize conversations. Unlike generic AI tools, this software can use the data on your website to tailor its responses. For example, if a customer is browsing your product pages, Talk to the Site can offer product recommendations, upsells, or answer specific questions about the products they're viewing. This personalized experience can lead to higher conversions and customer satisfaction. Next, Talk to the Site helps you automate a lot of routine tasks. From answering FAQs to collecting feedback, this AI tool can take a lot of repetitive work off your plate. You can set it to capture leads, schedule appointments, or even collect reviews, which frees up your team to focus on more important tasks. If you're running an e-commerce business or a service, this feature is an absolute game changer. The analytics that come with Talk to the Site are also top-notch. You can track everything from how many conversations the AI handled to the satisfaction rate of your visitors. This kind of data gives you valuable insights into how well your website is performing and how you can improve customer interaction. It's like having an AI-powered assistant that helps you analyze and optimize your website at the same time. Finally, while Talk to the Site is incredibly powerful, it's designed with ease of use in mind. You don't need to be a tech expert to get it set up and running. The interface is clean, intuitive, and designed for non-technical users. Whether you're a small business owner or a large enterprise, you'll find it easy to start using this AI tool right away. To wrap things up, I've tested thousands of AI software tools, and I have to say, Talk to the Site stands out in terms of its practicality, ease of use, and the powerful features it brings to the table. If you're looking to improve your website's customer interaction and drive more conversions, this could be a game changer for you. Remember, you can try Talk to the Site, completely free from the link below. And for my top recommended AI tools, check out the description where I've shared the best ones I've reviewed after testing thousands of AI software solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.